Hello friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, take a quick second and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps with the growth of my channel. And as always, don't forget to like this video. So in this video, I will be teaching you some Spanish expressions to describe the weather. Mainly the expressions would be Asen and Abed. Don't forget you can also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the information down below in the description box. Alright, without further ado, let's begin. So to express the weather in Spanish, most Spanish speakers usually use the words Asen or Abed. Let's look at some rules. So Spanish does not use a pronoun like it. For instance, in English, you would usually say it is hot or it is cold for a weather condition. Spanish does not have a pronoun for it. If a weather expression refers to something that can be felt, like good weather or cold or hot, then you would use the expression Asen. If a weather expression can be used for something that can be seen, then you would use the word Abed. Now let's go ahead and look at some sample sentences. So let's first review the weather expression Asen, which is used to express something that can be felt. So the first sentence we have is hace frío, or it's cold. The next one, hace calor, it's hot. Hace buen tiempo, the weather is good. Hace mal tiempo, the weather is bad. Good job. And here's our new learned words. We have frío, cold, calor, hot, hace buen tiempo, the weather is good, and hace mal tiempo, the weather is bad. Great job. Now let's review the Spanish weather expression for Abed, or something that can be seen. Okay, so here's our first example. Hay neblina por la costa, or there is fog along the coast. The next one, hay nubes hoy, or there's clouds today. And here's our new learned words. Neblina, which is fog, costa, coast, nubes, clouds. Good job. Now to talk about the state of the weather, you would use the expression estar plus the adjective, or in this case, the weather condition. Let's look at some examples. Here's our first example. Está nublado hoy. It's cloudy today. Está soleado en las montañas. It's sunny in the mountains. And here's some new learned words. Nublado, cloudy, and soleado, sunny. Great job. Now for weather conditions for snow and rain, you would just use the verb to describe the weather condition. Let's look at some examples. Okay, here's our first one. Nieva mucho en Nueva York. It snows a lot in New York. Siempre llueve en Seattle. It always rains in Seattle. And here's our two new learned words. Nieva, or it snows, and llueve, it rains. Great job. Now let's review our 10 new learned words from today's lesson. So we have our first one. Frío, cold, calor, hot, hace buen tiempo, hace mal tiempo, the weather is good or the weather is bad, hay neblina por la costa, there is fog along the coast, nubes, clouds, está nublado, it's cloudy, está soleado, it's sunny, and then nieve, snow, and finally, lluvia, rain. Great job! That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!